my fruits for my morning ritual, the granola that you know. I, again, snap. Even if I have a lemon, I put it in a small container. My feta cheese, to keep it longer, I make salted water and I keep it in that. I had remainders of Brussels sprouts. Same. Okay, I'm trying to do them as fast as I can to show you then how do I organize the fridge. My soup and my shishito peppers, I want them out. My turmeric. Okay, so now that I have these, look how easy everything becomes. You open up your fridge. Here I have all my fruits. There. More fruits. Here. You want to do your partitioning really well. These are here. This here. These go on top of each other. And well, that's it. Perfect. And you see everything, and you take them out, and it's not cluttered. I hope that helped.